From Maine to New Mexico, the U.S. is seeing historic high temperatures, sweltering in dangerous hot air that's arrived earlier than usual, catching many off guard.
Severe drought conditions across the West have helped fuel 2 wildfires in Arizona, forcing hundreds to evacuate homes outside of Phoenix. More than 100,000 acres have burned. In neighboring Utah, the dry conditions prompted the governor to call for a weekend of prayer.
We need more rain, and we need it now.
This is a fire that is wind-driven, and right now the Telegraph fire is over 71,000 acres. It has likely grown more than that. That's since Friday afternoon.